Hello everyone. Let us now discuss about the C.R.A.P test. C.R.A.P test is a helpful tool to use when trying to decide if a website is a credible and valid source. C stands for currency. You need to know how recent is the information on the website. Is it current enough for your topic? R is for reliability. What kind of information is included in the resource? Is content of the resource primarily an opinion? Or does the creator provided references? A for authority. Who is the author or creator? What are the credentials of the author? Can you find information on the author's background? And what is the interest of the publisher? P for purpose. Is it fact or opinion? Does the author or publisher listed the sources or references? Is it biased? Does the author trying to push some agenda? Or is the author or publisher is trying to sell you something? Let us have a sample for you to understand it more. Let us search for performance-enhancing drugs. As our example, I have opened different websites in here, and let us see if it is credible and valid source for our research paper. The first one is the Mayo Clinic. As you can see in the URL, it's .org. This is used for non-profit organization. This is now the content of the article, and it's written here by Mayo Clinic staff, but we need to know who are these staff. Right click and open it. As you scroll down, so meet our medical editors, and I guess all of them are doctors, so it's a check mark for authority. On the right side, there is advertisement. It looks like this is a disclaimer. It says, Mayo Clinic does not endorse companies or products. Advertising revenue supports our non-profit mission. Alright, so scroll down to see more information. Maybe there will be references here. Okay, it was published March 18, 2020, so another check mark for currency. And references, another check mark for reliable. If you are not yet sure about the mayoclinic.org, you can go to the departments and centers and you can find about Mayo Clinic. For now, I can say that mayoclinic.org is helpful for our research paper. Let us go to the next website. If you're going to check the URL, it's written here .gov. So it means it came from a government website. Let us see the date. It was 2012. So you have to know, or you have to consider if this is still current for you. And then the authors are medical doctors. It's good that they have more information if you put your mouse on it. And then let us scroll down if there are sources in here. They have glossary, footnotes, suggested readings, and references. So with this example, it can be considered as credible and valid source. Let us check the next result. It came from Blog Network. Remember, some blogs are not credible because some blogs that are published are based from their own opinion. But let us investigate further. It's written here, why the war on drugs in sport will never be won. And there is an information, authors of the paper published in Harm Reduction Journal by Bob Stewart and Aaron Smith. So they are the author of this blog. And there are information about them in here on the right side. If you scroll down, let's see if there will be resources. Looks like there's no resources in here. But the link provided in here maybe will give us more information about this paper. So here's the abstract of the paper published. More information about it. And then later on, maybe we can find resources. Here it is, or references. There you go. So it means this blog is credible. You can use this in your research. Let us see the next result. It came from Beachbody On Demand. So first, you need to know the purpose of this website. It looks like that it's all about fitness, nutrition, weight loss, and there is also a shop in here. If you're going to open it, so it looks like there is an online store. And let us see the result about sport doping, ancient and deadly. It was published 2018 and by Ben Sullivan. And let us see if there will be resources. Oops, wait. It's written in here, do you want to lose weight, build muscles? Okay, so there's something wrong with the purpose of this page. Let's see if there will be resources. Nothing. At this time, this may not be helpful for our research paper. Finally, the Wikipedia. Most of us are using Wikipedia to get information. The good thing about Wikipedia is, at the end, it has references. You will know where the author has taken the information. But who are the authors? You can go here under the View History, and it's written here when it was last updated and who updated it. For example, the user is Regulov. If we're going to open it, so it only contains something like this. It's just veteran editor. So it doesn't say much about the author. Mostly they are using usernames only. So there's a problem with the authority. Let's go back to the article. Yes, somehow you can use the information in here. But if you really want the real information, so better to go to the references. So for example, this one, effects of performance enhancing drugs. So just open it and you can open the website that tells about it. So it's from .org, and then see for yourself if this is a credible source also. That's the end of this topic. I hope you have learned something new. Until next time.